everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today I'm going to smoke boneless skinless chicken breasts. And you should be used to my rub by now, and there's a recipe if you don't know it. If you want more heat, just do 2 tablespoons brown sugar and 2 tablespoons chipotle. And since we're doing chicken, it goes to you got to cook it to 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I always set my standard temperature to 225 degrees on my smoker. Today we're going to use whiskey oak for our flavored wood chips here, and they look like that. Since I have electric Bradley smoker, they're little pucks. And I have my rub here, so it's already pre-made. So I'm going to put it on the chicken, and I'll see you in a minute. On oven, usually at 325. It'll take about between 3 and 4 hours to cook, so I'm gonna do the timer. I'll do it for a little bit more. I'll do it for that. Timer doesn't mean nothing. You want it just more than it takes actual to cook. So then I have it at 280 for now until the temperature actually warms up, and then I'll get it close to say 225. And then same with my smoker on here. I'm only gonna do timer set. I'm only gonna do 2 hours of smoke because I don't need more than that. So then I put these pucks in here. Let me open this up. Get these old ones out. I'll put these in here. There, as you can see, they're in here now. And then you push the little wood button here, and what I'll do, it'll put it out this conveyor belt here. That's where it heats up and burns. As you'll see it move as soon as it kind of pushes it out. So you just leave it there until you're ready to start burning the wood, and then after that you're good, right? So it'll start burning the wood for you. So I'm gonna shut it and let it heat up, and once it's preheated we'll put the chicken in. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's all got the rub on there, and once it hits temperature, I'll throw it in the smoker. So, a little bit above it, but it's okay. I lowered the temperature down. Now, it'll drop real quick because I have the door open, but I just want to see. Now there's a puck there on the heater, so it's going to start smoking anytime. So we'll come back in about an hour, and then I'll put the thermometer in. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my thermometer here, as it's got a little probe here that you put into the meat, and I can program it. So I said the chicken was between 160 and 165, so I'll put 165. If you need Celsius, it's about 73 degrees Celsius. And then this here will tell me what the meat temperature is. So let's go put it in the meat. Alright, as you can see, it's still smoking good, but we're going to put it in a thick piece of meat here. And then close it. As you can see here, this is magnetized. So I can close the door and leave it out. So what are we at here? $132. We still got a little bit. We still got an hour left to smoke. So that's about it. So we'll come and look in a little bit, maybe another hour. It should be pretty close. Okay. So I don't know, I can't remember what I said in the beginning of the video, how long it would take. I think I said 3 hours. Well, I was wrong. As you can see, that one here, it's all ready. Whew. Because the chicken breasts aren't huge. So I'm going to put the thermometer in another one, another piece here. Let's see. This one was farthest away from. Let's see. It's not always all of the chicken is always ready. See, that one not even moving. I wonder why that one's not moving. Let's see. I'm gonna put it in this one. Yeah. So I think I said 3 hours. I was kind of off because I think it's only been about an hour and a half. So let's see this one. Yeah, see, why is only the one's only ready? Yeah, that one's only at 140 as well. The other one, so let's try this one over here. What we got? Yeah, see, that one's a little higher, 158. So that one's just about ready. Well, it's technically over 160, so it's, yeah, so what's that, 163, so that one would be ready. So I did everyone's stick this one here now, so I'll do this one. So 2 of them are ready. It's funny, eh? Now you can also wrap them. Like sometimes what I'll do is, okay, that one's getting close, but sometimes what I'll do is once they're, say, about 140, 150, I'll go and wrap them in tin foil and spray like apple juice on them. If you want it really, really juicy from the outside to inside. So if you want it really juicy, you can wrap them tightly in tin foil, individually, not together. Make sure that there's no holes in the tin foil, and then just spray some apple juice on it, and or you can do some beer or whatever you want. But the apple juice makes it really nice too. But some people like the harder outer, like there's no skin on it, but the rub to be harder, not as juicy. And then I close this because it keeps breathing in the smoke. So I'm going to take the couple that are off, but now you can see pretty much how it's done. I don't really have to keep going until the other couple are done. Okay, so I just cut some up for you, so you can see, nice and juicy. So that's what I mean. Some of the pieces depend on the size and depends on how close to the burner are. Might take a little bit longer than others. But hey, that's just the way it is sometimes. So if you got any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I post another video. We'll talk to you later.